Welcome to FeTW Insights Weekly Steel and Iron Ore Market Update. The domestic market turned firm to bullish this week, led by a sharp rise in sponge iron and finished long steel. On a week-on-week basis, pellet ex Borbil gained 0.92%, while pellet for Raipur rose 0.78%, supported by steady procurement and tighter availability of raw materials. And billet ex Raipur gained 2.64%. Among finished steel, rebar ex Raipur rose 3.46%, reflecting higher replacement costs and stronger regional buying interest. HRC India ex Mumbai also increased 0.59%, supported by firm mill offers, higher production costs, and relatively resilient flat steel demand. Overall, rising metallics and steel making costs provided a strong price floor, although cautious downstream buying and monsoon-related construction disruptions continued to limit further upside. The international market presented a mixed picture this week. On a week-on-week basis, iron ore fines 61% CFR China declined 1.04%, while pellet 63% CFR China eased 0.86% as cautious mill procurement and ample seaborne supply continued to cap prices. However, the pellet premium CFR China increased 5.88%, indicating relatively stronger demand for high-grade feedstock. Among steel and raw material benchmarks, scrap CFR Turkey gained 1.58%, supported by tighter availability and expectations of September restocking. HRC FOB China increased 0.82%, supported by lower production and firmer export offers, while billet FOB China remained unchanged. The biggest decline came from rebar FOB China, which fell 2.60%, pressured by weak construction demand and subdued overseas buying. Overall, China's lower steel output provided some supply-side support, but weak property and construction activity, combined with ample iron ore availability, continued to weigh on the broader market. Follow FeTW Insights for daily commodity prices, market intelligence, and in-depth analysis of the global steel and iron ore markets. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.